Arkansas is seeing record numbers of hospitalizations and active cases. 1,342 people are currently in the hospital with the virus, and more than 27,000 cases across the state are active. More than 248,000 cases have been recorded across Arkansas, and 40 more people have been reported have died, bringing the total to almost 4,215 people have recovered.